AutoCAD is a powerful tool. It helps us create drawings. We use it for buildings, machines, and more. AutoCAD is like a digital drawing board. It's very precise and accurate. This makes our designs professional. AutoCAD is essential for architects and engineers. They use it every day. Sometimes in AutoCAD, we group objects together. This is helpful for moving and copying, but what if we want to edit just one object in the group? That's where the burst command comes in. This command bursts open the group. It separates all the individual objects. Now you can edit them one by one. The burst command gives you more control over your drawings. Using the burst command is easy. First, select the group of objects. You want to burst this group. Then type burst in the command line, press enter, the group will disappear. In its place, you'll see all the individual objects. Now they are no longer grouped. You can edit them however you like. Let's say you are designing a house. You have a group of objects that make up a window. You want to change the style of the window frame. Use the burst command. Now you can edit the frame separately from the glass. Another use is in mechanical drawings. You might have a group of parts. You need to change the size of one part. Burst the group and make your edits. The burst command is a real time saver.